Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I am Vira. In this video, I want to show you how to enable or activate developer options on your Oppo A60. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. Yep, to activate your developer options, first thing first, open your settings menu. And then go to about device, click it. Next, open version. Now you can find version number. In this version number, you can tap 7 times swiftly like this. Enter your lock screen password. You are now a developer. Okay, next to open your developer options, you click back. Again, one more times. In your settings menu, you open additional settings. Now you can find developer options. Open your developer options menu. Yep, you can see successfully to activate developer options on my phone. You can see in developer options menu so many hidden settings for your device like memory, and then DPI or smallest width, transition animation scale, and so many other. But you have to understand before you activate it, because if it's wrong can cause problem for your device like black screen or reset. Okay guys, enjoy settings on your developer mode. If you have finished, you can turn off your developer mode. Tap this icon. And now developer mode in my phone is turned off. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.